So those are the two major price levels that I'm looking at right now for the bulls and for the bears. Getting above 8,000 is a very bullish signal, and breaking below 6,400 is an extremely bearish signal. Again, as long as we're within the downward sloping price channel, I have to remain with a slight bearish bias towards the Bitcoin price. And once we get above 8,000, I become much more bullish. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Svensson, and today we're going to be talking about the price of Bitcoin, and I also want to discuss the YouTube ban that we've been seeing across all the top crypto channels. Now, there's a lot of theories going around. Some people think that some of the channels are being banned by YouTube itself. YouTube is censoring Bitcoin. This is, of course, what I thought at first. I thought at first crypto was being censored by Google, and then these rumors came out, these conspiracies came out that, you know, some groups of people were all simultaneously reporting certain channels and certain videos to try to take down certain channels. And we're not exactly sure what the motive is for these groups. Although right now I'm actually watching Sunny Decree's channel here on my phone, and Sunny Decree was one of the channels that got a ban on YouTube, right? And he's actually currently live right now, and he's saying that right now, you know, his ban is being lifted manually. So YouTube is currently lifting the ban on these top channels manually. You know, we had people like Ivan on Tech, Sunny Decree, Crypto's News, Chico Crypto, many others. So what it seems to me like right now is that there were a group of people out there that were going around and just, you know, reporting channels with tons of accounts and trying to take down crypto YouTube. And right now YouTube is actually, you know, we're coming back from the holiday, employees are coming back into the office, and they're actually taking a look at all this, and they're seeing that there's something weird going on here, there's something wrong going on here, and a lot of these channels do not deserve to be taken down. And people like Sunny Decree are currently live again. Their bans being lifted manually by YouTube. A lot of my viewers want me to stick to the Bitcoin analysis. They don't want me to go too far into explaining the CryptoWatch platform. Although I am going to release an overview video soon explaining all the details, and then I'm going to direct my viewers to the CryptoWatch YouTube channel, where that channel is going to have a lot of details about the platform. If you want to know more about the CryptoWatch platform, click that link below and subscribe. That channel will explain a lot of details about charting, about trading, and all kinds of things that you guys would like to know about the CryptoWatch platform. Now let's get right into the Bitcoin analysis. So let's just go to the asset card list here, and we're going to be looking at all the top coins here. Most coins are seeing some upside right now. Bitcoin is continuing up over 2.5%, and all the top coins are, of course, following Bitcoin to the upside. Let's just hop over to the Coinbase chart now. Looking at the daily, Bitcoin is still within the downward sloping channel. Recently, we actually had a break above the heart line of the channel. This line right here is the heart line of the channel. We've had resistance along the heart line many times here. Resistance here. Resistance here. We had resistance recently right here, and we actually recently got above that heart line, and we are currently getting a bounce off this level. We are now holding above the heart line once again, and the heart line is coming in currently around 7,150. That is our current support, and our next major resistance is going to be coming in between 7,700 and 7,800. What I like to see right now is that we actually do have a higher low on the chart. As of right now, this daily candle is showing a higher low. We are currently trending up. We have higher lows and higher highs here in the short term. Although in this area as well, we had something similar where we had higher lows and higher highs, although we did end up breaking this trend. The only difference between these two areas is that right now Bitcoin is actually above the heart line. Bitcoin is actually trending above the heart line of the channel, which is something that we weren't able to do here. We kept getting resistance here, and now Bitcoin is actually using this resistance area as support. So this is a good sign for the bulls in the short term. If Bitcoin does range up into this resistance zone, and, you know, we retest the upward sloping support and we break down out of this upward sloping support line, of course, this could be a bearish signal. This could mean that we're actually looking to just continue within this this price channel, and we're looking for much lower prices. Overall, right now, Bitcoin is in a downward sloping price channel. We are in a downtrend. This is a bearish trend. Although in the short term, we are seeing higher lows right now. We do have two consecutive higher lows on the daily chart. And this is, currently a good sign for the bulls. This means we are looking to make some bullish progress. And as long as we continue to make higher lows within this price channel, as long as we stick within this price channel and we range to the upside, that means we should be seeing continued bullish moves to the upside. If we break below our upward sloping support line, then of course this is going to be a very bearish sign. If we can't hold above this upward sloping channel, this short-term upward sloping channel, then that would mean that, the bears or the sellers are just putting too much supply back into the market and there's not enough demand, and we're going to be looking to trend lower in this price channel. So far, the only thing we've seen within this price channel is previous support become resistance, previous support become resistance, and we had a little bit of resistance right here. So in order to get a major change in the behavior of the market, we need to get above this previous support level and actually, break above that and create a support along that level and get above 8,000. If we can manage to do this, then I would say that Bitcoin is likely looking for a good halving period. Another possibility is that Bitcoin comes up to the downward sloping resistance and sees some rejection and continues to trade sideways above our previous low. This would also be okay for the bulls. This would we would still be looking at least horizontal lows, sideways action going into the halving. This would be okay for the bulls. Although if we break below 6,400, in my opinion, getting below 6,400 is going to be a signal for me that Bitcoin is entering a much more stable period where we actually won't be testing the all-time highs for many years. So overall, breaking 6,400 is a break of extremely significant market structure from the 2018 consolidation. This is where most of the volume is sitting on the chart. So if Bitcoin can't hold 6,400, 6,000, I think we would very likely be breaking into the mid 4,000 range, very likely consolidating at lower prices before Bitcoin can actually get enough support going into the halving. And then at that point, we would probably be looking at a very stable market. Bitcoin would at that point be looking to, range sideways for the next year or two before potentially getting enough momentum for a major breakout again. So those are the two major price levels that I'm looking at right now for the bulls and for the bears. Getting above 8,000 is a very bullish signal, and breaking below 6,400 is an extremely bearish signal. Again, as long as we're within the downward sloping price channel, I have to remain with a slight bearish bias towards the Bitcoin price. And once we get above 8,000, I become much more bullish. But that's just how I'm seeing the charts right now. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to sign up with the CryptoWatch platform and also subscribe to the CryptoWatch platform for more trading and charting information about the platform. Links are below, guys. I will see you all in the next video.